What are these?
These are some of the options I use when I'm on my period. This is a pad. This is a tampon. And this is a menstrual cup.
How to use these?
Very easy. The pad, we just need to remove the sticker from behind and we need to place it on our underwear. Some pads come with wings. We simply wrap the wings behind the underwear. For the tampon, we first pull the tampon string and then we gently push it into our vagina. Just enough. When we want to remove it, we simply pull it out by the string. For the menstrual cup, first clean it in warm water and then fold the cup and insert into your vagina. The cup can be washed and reused.
Oh, the tampon and menstrual cup sound painful.
Not at all. It does not cause any pain. You just need to get used to it.
Oh, so where can I buy them?
You can get these at any department store or pharmacy.
I'm excited to try them when it is time.
Let me know if you need any help. Do remember to throw away and use a new pad or tampon every 4 to 6 hours. And the menstrual cup should be washed every 12 hours. But avoid wearing tampons and cups while sleeping. This is to keep us safe.
Gotcha. But is it okay to keep it in the open? What if some boy sees it?
It's nothing to be embarrassed about, silly. Now, let's continue our game.